everyone, welcome back to our channel The Unidenticals. I'm Lavanya and welcome to our beginner's guide. Today's video is our last video for beginner's guide. In today's video we're going to talk about what are the essentials that we needed for a beginner's makeup kit. So let's get into the video. So guys, everyone love the feeling of their first makeup kit they're gonna have. So stop filling your shopping baskets and let's take a look what are the essentials that we're going to need for a basic makeup. The first thing has to be a skin primer, guys, because a skin primer will minimize the pores and also make sure that the makeup stays for much longer time. Some of the best primer has to be a Color Bar Flawless Finish primer, guys. This is a silicone primer which will easily prep your skin and it also stays for much longer time. If you have a dry skin, then just go for this primer. But if you have an oily skin and also have large pores, then try this NYX Angel primer, which is oily free. It is a bit thick, which will try to minimize your pores easily. But if you think these are a little expensive, then you guys can also try the Lakme Absolute. At the same time, you guys can also use the Maybelline primer, which is also available. So guys, after a primer, an absolute must and should product has to be a foundation. Now I have chosen this Fit Me foundation. This foundation is an ideal foundation, guys, available in the market, suitable for dry to oily skin type. Literally helpful for oily skin type. It doesn't make it at all greasy. Very affordable and very beginners friendly, guys. This will give that matte, at the same time flawless finish. It have very high coverage and it have many shades ranging from dark to light, and I feel that this has to be the best foundation for beginners kit, and definitely you should try this. So guys, definitely after a foundation, all you need is a concealer to conceal your dark circles, at the same time dark spots. So I've already shown a video about my top 3 favorite concealers that are available in the market. I will include that link in the description box. Go check it out and find the best concealer. Now after a concealer and a foundation, you must always settle your foundation and a concealer with a setting powder. Now I've also shown a video about what are the setting powders that are available in the market, which is suitable for oily skin, what are suitable for dry skin, at the same time some of the best alternatives. Setting powder is must and should for a beginner's makeup kit, so do try it out. So guys, everyone love eyeshadows. I personally love eyeshadows. Before starting makeup, I literally don't used to like it, but after owning an eyeshadow palette, I just love to play with them. For a beginner's makeup kit, an eyeshadow palette has to be a matte. It has to be a set of matte palettes. At the same time, the color should be nude and coral and little bit pink and nudes, guys. Do not go for heavy and pop colors, and also a mix of little bit shimmer. Some of the best beginners friendly palette are these 2 palettes. One is the Nikake palette and one is the Swiss Beauty palette. Now this is the ultimate eyeshadow palette and this is in the shade Birthday Cake. Now there are many shades available in these 2 palettes. This have Autumn Spice, which comes with all nude shades. This one is a Birthday Cake where you see all the pop colors where you can experiment your eyeshadow, and here we have all neutral nude shades. Also we have black and little bit of shimmer. You can do that night smoky eye shade too. Guys, if you don't want to spend on an eyeshadow palette, I will suggest and I will recommend you to go buy a eyeshadow palette. This is an eyeshadow palette that I've mostly used in my videos. Now let me tell you, this is multi-purpose eyeshadow palette, guys. I can do blush, highlighter, I can contour my face, I can do my eyebrows, at the same time I can do my eyeshadows. This is a multi-purpose eyeshadow palette. Go invest on something like this where you can do full face makeup with this. Literally it is very beginners friendly, budget friendly, at the same time it's super easy to do all these things at once. Guys, definitely after an eyeshadow, a beginner's makeup kit is incomplete without these things: mascara, eyebrows, kajal and eyeliner. These things are super essential for a beginner's makeup kit. Without these, the look is incomplete. I've also shown a video about what are the kajals, eyeliners, mascaras that are available in the market. Do check it out. I will also include that link in the description box. So guys, a beginner's makeup will be only completed with set of lipstick. A beginner's lipstick must have a set of matte lipsticks, at the same time included with corals, pinks and nude shades. Now I think this shade is very ideal. This is the Nykaa Madras Cape. At the same time, this is the Maybelline Nude Nuance Matte Creamy Matte Lipstick, and I've just applied the same color Madras Cafe over here. Look at the shade, it's very natural, coral at the same time nude, and a lipstick is must. And go for something like matte at the same time neutral shades. So guys, last but not the least, it has to be a solid and a trustworthy setting spray. Especially if you're living in a humid environment, then you must spend on a setting spray. The one that I use is the Faces Canada Ultimate Pro Makeup Fixer. This makeup fixer is amazing, guys. It's non-sticky and it easily, absorbs into the skin. It literally shines and blends the makeup so well. The other few essentials that you needed for a beginner's makeup, it has to be some brushes, guys. Now brushes can do wonders. It will easily blend your makeup and finishing job is amazing with the brushes. But if you don't want to spend on these brushes, it's completely fine. You guys can also try a beauty blender. Beauty blender will do the same magic as well. That's it for today's video, guys. It's a wrap to a beginner series. I hope you find it useful and interesting. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and do also follow us on Instagram. The link is in our description. More such videos will be coming up on our channel. So till then, bye bye.